Don from Joyland Roofing. I'm here at a job in Lancaster, a commercial roof replacement. So a couple of months ago, I had done a big flat roof replacement for Don here at Natural Stoneworks. And then once we were done with that, he came back to me about a month later and said, hey, my another workshop is leaking. I've got a lot of problems. And so I came out to check it out. That's this roof here. I found that the roof had 2 layers of shingles on it, and we can see the boards here are kind of uneven. So whoever installed the second roof didn't take their time and just kind of slapped them over the first layer, not watching their fastening pattern or anything. So he was having shingles blow off.
Whoever installed this roof installed it over the old shingles. They didn't take the old shingles off, which is best practice, common practice. The shingles they used, they're not even adhered. These shingles should be stuck down tight. All across the system, they're totally loose.
So we're out here doing a full replacement. We stripped it all down to the board deck. These are 2x6 boards, and some of them are rotten and bowing. So as you can see here, we're kind of going piece by piece and replacing them as needed to give Don a solid roof deck and make sure that our shingles lay down properly and flatly and can be fastened well. So we're kind of fixing up the deck here now, and once we're done with that, we'll put the underlayment on and then the new shingle system, and Don will have a roof that is not only watertight, but that is installed correctly and will last because we've kind of taken it down to the basics and rebuilt in the proper way. So there you go. We're having fun out here.